Hello everyone, welcome to the Market Strategy Hub. In this episode, I'll be sharing stock market and options trading strategies so beginner can understand them easily. Today, market is around 24,000 since right now, and many traders expect market to be slightly bearish. So I will show you simple bearish option strategy for beginners, and we'll build it step by step using Opstra, this Opstra website. When the market is slightly bearish, or if the trader thinks market to fall, one simple strategy beginner can use is the bear put spread. Let me choose this one. We'll choose bear put spread. This is a strategy. Instead of let me change this date, expiry date. Here is 30 March, so we choose 17 March. Let's choose 17 March. This is a strategy, 17 March. So let's build a strategy, and let me explain. Right now market is 24,011. So I'll choose the nearest strike price. That is I only chosen nearest strike price, that is 24,150 PE, and sell a lower strike price, that is 23,450. This put option, this one, the upper one is strike price is 347.85 rupees, and the 23,450 PE is 121.1 rupees. Now this creates a bear put spread. Right now the probability of profit is 45.54%. Max profit is 30,761, that is 98.55%. Max loss come to 14,739, that is 47.22%. Max RR ratio is 1:2.09. Break even comes to 0 to 20,923. Estimated margin or premium is 31,214, which is much lesser than negative option selling. So let me explain this one. This is a payoff chart. A maximum profit happens if the market falls below the lower strike price, that is maximum profit. This is the maximum profit zone below 23,450 level, and maximum loss is limited if market goes up. See, this is the maximum loss if the market goes up. The level is 23,923. That is the break-even point. This is why this trade is often used by beginners who expect the market to go down slightly. One important rule in option trading is always control risks. That is, maximum risk is here 47%, where in naked option selling it is 100%. So if you want to learn more, do not forget to watch my upcoming video, and thanks for watching.